My name is Kiara Thompson. I'm 25 years old and I'm currently running in the Beauties of Five Continents pageant 2017. I was born and raised in a small town in the heart of Muskoka called Huntsville, Ontario. The community of Huntsville has produced a number of outstanding individuals who have inspired people in some way, shape, or form. My goal with this pageant is to contribute back to my community as well. My passion for both art and people has led to my desire to become a behavioral therapist for children. My goal is to utilize art therapy as a means to assist children with mental health issues. Growing up, I experienced many different forms of bullying. I know what it feels like to be shunned, excluded, and unworthy. Those experiences have led to feelings of anxiety and depression and have had a tremendous impact on my self-esteem. The reason I've chosen to compete in the Beauties of Five Continents pageant is to use it as a platform to show both myself and others that if you believe in yourself and you follow your dreams, only good things can happen.